Chris with a K here. Welcome to my channel. If you're first time, I'm so glad you're here, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Today's video is going to be about how to save money on your cable bill and how to watch TV for free. Check this out.
Hello, and welcome to ESTV. If you've landed here or someone shared this video with you, they probably felt like you would benefit from over 3,000 live channels, movies, sports, series, and special events. All of this for a fraction of what you'd pay for cable, minus the hidden fees and extra you pay to enjoy your favorite channels, latest movies, and special events. How is this possible? Well, to be honest, U.S. law states that it is not illegal to view or share a stream as long as you're not downloading, storing, or recording any of the information, which is why ESTV never uploads, stores, or records any of the content of any sort. U.S. law also states that it is illegal to profit off of a stream without proper licenses in place, which is why Elite Stream TV does not sell the actual stream, but we give it away for free when you purchase our ESTV Stories software, a marketing software which allows you to create stunning promo videos for IGTV and Facebook stories. The software is easy to use and newbie friendly. Just drag and drop and you're all done. All for just $30 a month. After you purchase, you will be granted free access to our live stream with over 3,000 channels, new movies, and much more. Never overpay for another fight or special event. Why pay extra to watch your favorite sports? Catch them all regardless of what country or coast you're living on. Gain free access when you purchase the ESTV Stories for $30 a month and slash your cable bill, or get rid of it altogether. No longer are you at the mercy of big networks and cable companies overcharging you for service. When you decide to become an ESTV customer, choose between one of two products on our site. You'll notice that one says adult and the other says non-adult. This simply means that you would like adult or non-adult channels included within your free stream that's shared with you after purchase. Please choose accordingly because you will not be able to change it after. Once your payment is complete, please visit the Install tab in the menu on our website for instructions on how to view your stream on multiple devices. You're allowed to stream on 3 devices simultaneously at no extra cost to you. Watch on your TV as well as your phone, tablet, or even your computer. Know others that could use this great service and save on their cable bill too? Well, refer 3 and yours is free because ESTV has a simple affiliate program which allows you to earn $10 for every person you refer to ESTV that becomes a customer, as well as $5 for every person that they refer. Did I mention that this is residual? So that means as long as your referral stays active with ESTV, you get paid month after month, week after week. Yes, you heard right. We pay out weekly on all monthly residuals. So when was the last time you got paid for enjoying TV? Well, now you can. Join as a customer or as an affiliate. Either way, you can't lose. Go get back with the person that shared this video with you and let's slash your cable bill today.
The reason why I'm making that face because that's probably the face you're making. So Chris, you're telling me I can get basically what I have with my provider and more and spend less money? Yes, yes, yes. All right. So if you're definitely ready to get started, just click the link in the description below to get started. It'll take you right to the website. The sign up instructions are super simple. And if you have any questions about anything, please contact me. I'm gonna leave my contact information below in the description as well. Just look down, you're gonna see my phone number. Please text me so we can set up a time where we can both be free to talk so I can handle all your questions and your concerns. All right, so just know this is a streaming service. This is not cable TV. So think of Hulu and Netflix, but the difference is this is like live, like cable TV, Netflix, and Redbox mixed into one, but it's just really mobile. All right, so there's like no cables or anything that has to be connected in a sense. So you can watch this on your cell phone, your tablet, your laptop, even on a smart TV at home. All you have to do is buy a Fire Stick, you know, upload the software onto it at once, and you can literally unplug it and take it with you anywhere and watch it. All right, so know that you can download this software up on unlimited devices, but you can only stream simultaneously up to 3 devices at the same time. Okay, all right. And next thing, you do have an option to get paid with this. So when you refer this to people, you can get paid, like they say, $10 every month as long as they keep service, and $5 every person they refer. All right, so that's an affiliate program. We do have a Facebook group, okay, a Facebook group where the owners are actually hands-on, actually involved. They do updates, videos of what's going on with the service, because the streaming service is getting better and better and better. It's not perfect, but it's way better than what you have. In my opinion, I can say that, you know, definitely. So the service is always getting better. If you have any questions, that's what the Facebook group is for. That's what my number is for. And there's 24/7 contact support, but I'd rather you come to me first, obviously, if you referred me, and then refer to the Facebook group and use customer support as your last resort. All right, and then lastly, if you're someone skeptical and is like, Chris, it sounds all good to be true, but I don't want to like dive all in. I mean, $30 is not a lot, but I just don't want to waste it, and I completely understand you. So the cool thing about this service, you're going to actually be able to have a 48-hour free trial. Yes, a 48-hour free trial. All you have to do is go to the website, click on the tab in the right corner, and there's going to be a like a little drop down menu. It's going to say something like free trial, and you can try it out. It's 48 hours. You know, there is no commitment at all. You can try it out for free. You're not going to get access to all 3,000 plus channels, but you're going to get access to, like, I think over 1,000 or so, which is more than enough channels for you to, you know, make your decision in 48 hours is 2 days. So you have more than enough time to make a decision. You're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. It's something amazing. And yeah, so basically you can do the free trial, and if you don't like it, you don't have to buy or anything like that, but I recommend you take advantage of the free trial. But if you're someone who's like, okay, I see what it is what it is, Chris, I'm gonna go all in, just definitely click the link below to get started. All right, so I thank you for watching this video. Just know that this channel right here is all about making money, me teaching you ways how to make more money that I run across, as well as teach you ways how to save money. In this video that you just saw, teach you how to make money and save money at the same time. All right, so if you definitely like this content, please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you're never ever missing out on any hot new content I'm bringing out. And I thank you for watching this. Any questions you have, please feel free to contact me at the link below. Get started and definitely enjoy the service. It's amazing. So until next time, thank you for watching. Chris with a K. I'm out. Peace.